My dad was a jazz musician, so, at 6, 7, 8 years old, I was running up and down the halls of Doris Duke's house. I was exposed to this grandeur that, most children were not exposed to, and it stayed with me. I'm Ron Woodson. I'm an interior designer. I'm really just the conduit for my client to make them live a beautiful life. 18 years ago, Jamie and I started Woodson and Rummerfield's House of Design here in Los Angeles. We have a lot of celebrity clients. We have a lot of music clients. We've done projects all over the world, and I'm very proud of that. I really feel like history of a home and a property is really important, and it really does not make sense to me to tear something that's perfectly good down to just build something new just because. When we first bought the house, this house was a little diamond in the rough. The previous owner was a prolific choreographer, and the new kitchen used to be his dance studio. The kitchen, for me, is the nucleus of a home. And that is because I love to cook. My husband loves to cook. We love to entertain. So having the proper appliances just lends itself to allow me to shine even more. Go somewhere else. I want to have the bells and whistles that are going to help make my life easier in the kitchen. It's got to function properly. It's got to be aesthetically pleasing. And I want to have the best. In my research, Monogram has really sealed that for me.
It can be not at the same level as like the refrigerator. It could be set back a bit.
My house is Spanish style, and I've decided to take it more of a modern Spanish. So that's just going to be umbrellas.
Right.
The Monogram Statement Collection has this sort of traditional feel, yet with contemporary accents to it. I really love the brass fittings that mirror with the stainless steel. I'm using that actually as a base for my hardware on the cabinets. And aesthetically, it's going to be really sexy and contemporary. So it will lead us into the future, but feel very timeless at the same time. I'm getting a 42-inch fridge, 48-inch range, hood, dishwasher, and in conjunction with the 42-inch fridge, I chose to have the separate beverage fridge. The 48-inch range, I got it because it's dual fuel. That was important. The dishwasher, I want it to be as silent as possible. The fridge, I got because the capability on freezing and refrigeration and the interior styling, longevity, that was important to me because I hope that I won't have to get new appliances for a long time. I think luxury is having the time to do the things in one's life that bring them joy. I'll be able to use these appliances efficiently. They're going to save me time. They're going to save me energy. They're going to allow me to do the things that I want to do with my family and friends when I entertain. Very excited, both Tom and I, to complete our house and partnering with a company like Monogram. I have the technology, I have the Monogram name standing behind me, and I have the look, I have the functionality, and I'm good. I'm golden.